Hi. Welcome to The Meditation Way. Before watching this video about meditation, don't forget to subscribe for more free videos about meditation. So now let's speak about a beginner's guide to meditation for beginners. For beginners, the concept of meditation is often hard to grasp as it is not a subject that is well understood. The first thing to realize when attempting meditation is that it must be done regularly and consistently in order to have any benefit at all. Practice makes perfect, and this is especially true for meditation. Practicing meditation daily will allow your mind to focus on the task at hand without the distractions of worry and anxiety. Meditation should not be practiced as a chore or as something that must be practiced in a very specific way. It can be practiced in many ways to fit your lifestyle. It should be easy to learn how to meditate for beginners, as this is a concept that can be easily understood by a beginner's mind. There are a few different styles of meditation to choose from. The most popular is the Iyengar style. This method focuses on the breath, as well as the visualizations that come with it. One example is the picture of a Buddha with his hands clasped behind him. Another style is focused solely on the beginner's mind and body. This technique is similar to meditation practices such as yoga. However, this style is much more involved and requires a lot of focus and concentration. When practiced correctly, this form of meditation can have positive effects on the mind and body. There are many examples of this style in books like The Power of Positive Thinking by Albert Ellis and The Art of Living by Viktor Frankl. The other various styles of meditation include some which involve a meditative state. A type of meditation for beginners that has a calming effect is the Tibetan style. In addition, it can also cause a sense of bliss and tranquility. Meditation for beginners can also incorporate an altered state of consciousness. This is done through progressive stages of mental, physical, and spiritual awakening. Meditation for beginners should also allow for a certain level of independence when practicing it. As the goal of meditation is to become one with the universe, it is important to allow the mind to be free to wander off on its own. When practicing meditation, it is important to not force thoughts or ideas into the mind. Instead, it is best to allow the mind to think and explore the possibilities that it may come across. This means that it is okay to be unmindful of whatever you are doing at the time of the meditation session. Some people find that when meditating for beginners, they lose control over their bodies and lose all attention on the outside world. These are just a few of the many different levels of meditation for beginners. There are literally hundreds of other methods and variations of meditation. All of them are aimed toward making meditation easier, more efficient, and enjoyable. For those who want to experience something totally new and exciting, there are many ways to begin a meditation practice that will open up and widen the beginner's mind and body. There are even some books that will guide you through the steps so that it will be easy for you to meditate with complete relaxation. When you are searching for different techniques for practicing meditation, you will find that some of them are more comfortable than others. These techniques may include yoga, meditation, Tai Chi Chuan, and Reiki. You may decide to practice any one of these techniques or try a combination of them, depending on what you feel comfortable with. As you look at the different levels of meditation for beginners, keep in mind that each one of them has its own benefits and advantages. As you progress through the different techniques, you will find the ones that work best for you and your own personal goals. Once you have mastered each of these techniques, it will be time to move on to the next level. When you move beyond the basic techniques, you will find that you can start to expand your mind and body and have a deeper understanding of yourself and your world. You will be able to connect with your inner self and see the world in a whole new way. It is definitely worth the time and effort to practice these different types of techniques over again. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more about meditation.